Hey guys, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, it's इफ्रा here and welcome back to my YouTube channel। तो बेसिकली अभी सेरी होने वाली है और सेरी से पहले वाला टाइम है और मैं बैठी भी थी और मैं अपना फ़ोन यूज़ कर रही थी एंड आई केम अक्रॉस दिस वेरी रैंडम क्विज। वो जो क्विजेज नहीं होते जो कि आपको बताते हैं व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू बी डूइंग इन लाइफ, हाउ विल एवरीथिंग टर्न आउट टू बी फॉर यू। तो मैं उस तरह का एक क्विज ले रही थी एंड आई थॉट दिस वुड बी सो फन इफ़ आई टेक BuzzFeed के क्विजेज जो कि आई एम प्रीटी श्योर वी ऑल हैव टेकन इन आवर लाइव्स। मैं वो लूँ आप लोगों के साथ। दिस कैन लाइक act as a get to know me better sort of thing as well, क्योंकि you will be seeing my responses, you will be seeing मैं क्या choose करती हूँ and this will actually be super fun. Like we can evaluate कि मैं ज़िंदगी में क्या करने वाली हूँ according to BuzzFeed quizzes and am I there yet or not. So I hope you guys like this video because I haven't done, अच्छा guys मैंने अभी quizzes खोल के नहीं देखे हैं, मैं आपके साथ ही अभी खोल के देखूँगी। So this is going to be super fun. So let's get started. इसके अलावा do let me know in the comments below if you have tried any of these quizzes. Yeah, what do you guys think about this? And before I start, I just want to tell you guys कि नहीं, I don't believe in any of this. This is just for fun, guys. मैं खुद कर रही थी and I thought कि क्या मैं बकवास हरकतें कर रही हूँ, तो I thought I'll take you guys along. So let's get started. अच्छा, तो just because I haven't searched anything before, तो मैं Google पे जाके बस BuzzFeed quiz. So, wow, there are so many of these quizzes search कर रही हूँ. Okay, so let's start and wow, मुझे ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है मुझे लैपटॉप यूज़ करना भूल गया है. And I have a lot of Makeup Revolution ads which tells you कि मैं थोड़े दिन पहले Makeup Revolution search कर रही थी. Okay, what type of cookie usually predicts your future with a sheet of paper inside? Fortune cookie. Okay, this is more like a What are the names of Lady Gaga fans? Con Gagas? I'm not. The art of paper folding is called. Oh my god! Origami. ये तो ऐसा लग रहा है मैं अपना वो genius वो. I need to write live quizzes after this. Which one of the following? Fly backwards. Yellow-throated hummingbird can fly backwards? Okay, so here's this really fun quiz. Create your ideal wedding and we'll tell you which age group you are part of. This looks super cool और obviously यहाँ के लोगों पे नहीं apply होगा, but जैसे भी मुझे मतलब बाहर वाली weddings में जो भी मुझे पसंद है, I'll just start with that. Okay, so firstly let's start with the basics. Do you have a theme in mind? Ooh, no, I don't want a themed wedding. It's either chic, trendy or glamorous. Do I want trendy? I want trendy. Okay, alright, what time of the year? अगर हम पाकिस्तान के हिसाब से देखें तो स्प्रिंग ही भाई, बाकी सारे मौसमों में ऐसे वो नहीं होते. Where will the venue be? At home. We'll just do at home. यहाँ पे अब हमारे यहाँ पे हॉल्स तो यहाँ पे डलने से रहे. What will you wear? पहन के आ ही ना जाओ मैं सूट यहाँ पे शादी पे, जूते पड़ेंगे मुझे. ये सूट 2 दफ़ा क्यों लिखा हुआ है? वाओ, 3 दफ़ा सूट. Sleek and I don't know, I'm just going with classy. What will your partner wear? ये मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है 2 सूट क्या मतलब सूट के डिज़ाइंस में भी. Okay, we'll go with this one. How many guests will you invite? देसी शादी है, देसी शादी में 100 लोग तो ऊपर हो ही जाते हैं. So I don't have a say in that. What foods will you serve? कर दूँ मैं ये serve ना भाई. I think buffet is the closest that goes with our theme, Desi wedding theme. Lastly, what do you picture when you hear the word wedding? Wow, this is actually funny. Dance floor, wow. I'll go with fairy lights because it sounds thoda pyara pyara. 25 to 30, you are in the prime age group to be preparing for your special day. पहली बात, can we consider कि कितना stereotypical वो है? Secondly, I'm 21 and this is 25, so pretty close I would say. और we can always like मेरे वो तो मैच ही नहीं करते ना, यहाँ पे देसी wedding और वो तो मैच ही नहीं करता, तो I would say this is pretty close. So BuzzFeed 1, Ifra 0. Why am I scoring myself? Okay, so the second quiz that we'll do right now is which comfort food are you actually? I think I should be fries. Yeah, I should be I don't think chai इनके comfort food होंगे. Now I really want a desi quiz. I think I can go for a desi quiz. करूँ? BuzzFeed personality quizzes for India. मैंने फॉर इंडिया किया क्योंकि आई थिंक हमारे और पाकिस्तानी और उसके बहुत मैच करते हैं, तो मे बी दिस इंडियन फूड टेस्ट विल रिवील द फ्रेंड्स करेक्टर दैट मैचेस योर पर्सनैलिटी. Ooh, this one's fun. I think I'm like Monica, but let's take this and decide. Pick a dessert. Gulab jamun for sure. Pick a snack. Samosa. Pick some Indian candy. इनमें से कोई भी नहीं खाई, पर्क खाई भी, हमारे यहाँ पर्क होती, तो I'll go with पर्क. Pick your favorite meal. I'll go with butter chicken and naan. Although I have an idea of how the बाकी side taste, क्योंकि हम इतने तो देखते हैं इंडियन शोज. Pick a biscuit. Oreo. Pick a beverage. Chai. Duh. I don't even have to read that part. Monica, you're a born leader and nobody could be as organized as you are. You are the mom of the friend group, and maybe that's not true. And your friends know that you will always take care of them. And oh, your culinary skills are... I want to do the chef's kiss, but I'm gonna skip that part. But okay, guys, this is correct. I'm actually बहुत ज़्यादा मोनिका की तरह. अब I don't know ये मेरे choices से ने कैसे पता चला, but this is getting a little bit creepy. How do you guys know? Maybe they're listening to maybe a conversation with you guys. But I like this quiz. So let's move on to our third. Okay guys, this one's a good one. Just answer some questions and we'll give you an Atif Aslam song that predicts your love life. Oh my god, I'm so excited to take this. Maybe because हमारे मतलब Atif Aslam is our singer, okay? So that makes this much more relatable. Okay, let's start. What is your current relationship status? I've given up on love. Oh my god, I really wanted to have a crush because I have a crush on so many people, celebrities. So I'll do a have a crush. How would your friends describe you? यार मेरे से क्यों पूछ रहे हो? I think I'm different with every friend, so I want to do act stuff, but is a softie. Which Dhoom character do you relate to the most? Dhoom machale. वैसे तो I relate to Ali Khan. What is your go-to snack? Chai. What would your ideal date look like? Fancy, candlelight dinner, a cute picnic, anything as long as anything will do at this point, to be honest. Finally, pick a show to watch. क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी. Sara Bhai versus Sara Bhai. Shakalaka boom boom. I think it's going to be Shararat for me. I'm sorry guys, I'm singing these. मैं सोच रही हूँ मेरी आवाज़ कितनी बुरी है और मैं आप सबको सुना रही हूँ. Okay, अब तो आदत सी है मुझको. Oh my god, that's sad. 2021 will be the same as the previous years for you. Sorry. Thanks BuzzFeed for telling me everything that I already know. But guys, I'm having so much fun doing these with you. So let's move on to our next quiz. Okay guys, this is again a super fun one. This personality test will reveal which Adarsh Bahu and iconic vamp you're a combination of. Oh my god, ये बहुत मजे का होने वाला है. अच्छा, pick your favorite social media app. Instagram. Okay, I feel kind of rude for saying that, but it's Instagram. Define your best friend. Everyone is my best friend. I don't do best friends. Fashionista, adventurous, loyal, hardworking. Loyal. Which one of these things define you in a group chat? But of every joke, Jeff Queen, Chatty, Kathy, meme dealer, the group has... Sorry guys. Pick your favorite type of French fry. Oh my god, ये quiz मेरे लिए बना है क्या? Zigzag, waffle fries, wedgies, curly fries. वैसे तो I like shoestring fries. वैसे पतले fries, I really like those. Pick a spice. Red chili flakes. Pick something to drink. Can I pick vodka shots? I'll go with Nimbu Pani, which is Limu Pani here. Pick Jeff. Wow, 50% Jigyasa Walia. Minus 50, नहीं 50% this and 50% Prerna. Oh my god, we all know about Prerna. If you don't know about Prerna, please अबे कोई मेरे कमेंट्स में आके लिखा oh my god हमने तो कभी स्टार्ट में इसका खाया ही नहीं था. प्रेरणा वॉज कसौटी जिंदगी में कसौटी जिंदगी की. सो शी वॉज लाइक द मेन लीड रोल और ये मेरे बचपन में आता था. कसौटी जिंदगी की, you guys, अच्छा, you're the sweetest person around. Oh, thanks BuzzFeed. But that is only until someone gets in your bad books. That is so true. Oh, and you certainly have a bad book with the names of, oh my god. Now this is like just me being exposed on YouTube. God bless the ones underlined in red. That is so true. But like, not like I have a book or वो सारा scene, but like हाँ, if somebody is mean to me or somebody that I, not enemy is a very strong word, लेकिन ठीक है, अगर कोई एक ऐसा बंदा है जो मुझे लग रहा होगा कि okay, this person isn't my kind of person, so yeah, that person will be in my bad book. Okay guys, so the next quiz that we're gonna do is, if you were the main character in these popular Bollywood love triangles, who would you have picked? Okay, बहुत मजे का होने वाला है. I don't know कि इसके end पे क्या result निकलेगा, but let's start. Okay, if you were Naina in Kal Ho Na Ho, who would you have picked? Aman, duh. Let me know. वैसे ये बहुत मजे का है. Let me know in the comments below कि आप किसको चूज करते हो. ओ यहाँ पे वोटिंग दिखा देंगे. Oh, 45% people voted for Rohit. If you were, मैंने देवदास नहीं देखी, तो I'll just go with Paro. I don't know why. Wow, Paro is super popular. If you were Neha in Dostana, who would you have picked? Kunal. We don't have to complete the quiz. Can't we just skip it? We're gonna skip this quiz, guys, because we make the rules here. The last one, ये personality से लेके Bollywood quizzes में turn हो गया. But if you guys want a part 2, I will be happy to do it. Seriously, मेरा बस मैं part 2 अभी film कर डालूँ. I don't want this to be super long, लेकिन मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. And I'm pretty sure if you are like a die-hard Bollywood fan, तो आपको भी बहुत मज़ा आ रहा होगा. So this is the last quiz that we're gonna do, जिसका नाम है, wait, let me open it here. Check off all the top Hindi songs from the previous decade that you have heard and we'll guess your age. Okay, pretty interesting, right? So let's go. How many Hindi songs from the previous decade have you listened to? Amy, duh, Tumiyo, been there, done that. Genda Phool, yep. Oh, ये नए वाला गेंदा फूल है या पुराना? हाँ, नए वाला भी मैंने सुना हुआ, वैसे तो बहुत बुरा है. The disco दीवाने. Yep. मुझे शर्म आ रही है. I'm 24 to 29 years old. You checked more than 100% of quiz takers. I'm 21, guys. Again, pretty close. So I would give that to you, BuzzFeed. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope you guys have had fun because I had so much fun doing this with you. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं इसी तरह आपके साथ और quizzes लूँ, maybe personality quizzes लूँ, because this time around I did more of like Bollywood sort of quizzes. So do let me know in the comments below and I'll happy to film a part 2 of this. And yeah, honestly मैंने quizzes पहले खोल के नहीं देखे थे और मेरी intention ये थी कि I'll be doing more of personality quizzes कि oh, where will you be in life in 10 years या 5 years. But जब मैं करने लगी तो मुझे इतने Bollywood quizzes नज़र आने लगे कि I kept doing those. But let me know in the comments below again that if you want me to do a part 2. इसके अलावा don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I keep uploading my stories there. मैं वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा post करती हूँ as compared to YouTube, तो I hope you will be entertained and will actually join me वहाँ पे भी as well. इसके अलावा don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, share my channel if you actually find the videos interesting and you want to support me. इसके अलावा I'll see you here next week इंशाल्लाह. अल्लाह हाफिज़. कुछ होता मैं अंजलि, ओह अच्छा अंजलि ने पिक करना है. That's confusing क्योंकि राहुल technically left her and Aman was there and then Rahul married. Although he kept saying प्यार ही की दफ़ा होता है, but उसको तो बहुत दफ़ा हो गया था. And he remarried. But I have a soft spot for Shah Rukh Khan now, so I'll go for Rahul.